Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our exciting content on blockchain development and cryptocurrency. In today's video, I will walk you through the complete development of ERC-20 token using Hardhat, one of the most powerful development tools for Ethereum smart contracts. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how to set up your development environment in VS Code. So let's get started. First of all, open up a terminal and move to the desktop and create one empty folder ERC-20. Now let's open a VS Code and open that folder. Now create a folder inside ERC-20. Supercoin. Then move to the Supercoin folder. Now I'll just do npm init. It will generate packet.json file. Alright, and I'm just going to go through and accept all the defaults here. So next step is going to be install Hardhat. So I'm going to say npm I save dev Hardhat. Now let's invoke Hardhat npx Hardhat. Create JavaScript project. Okay, our Hardhat project is created. Now let's install Open Zeppelin contracts because we will use it in our project. Here is the log.sol file, hardhat.config file, and here is the script. Okay, let's rename this contract file supercoin.sol and copy the contract code from previous tutorial, so we do not need to write it again. It will save time. Now let's rewrite this script from scratch because right now we are not using this whole code. So now declare a main function first. Now let's handle the error here. This code is necessary because whenever we got the error, it will redirect to this code and we can see the errors. So catch the error here. Okay, now process dot exit. Then declare a deployer. It will deploy a contract. Await ethers dot get signers. It will sign the transaction from your MetaMask address and print that MetaMask address here with the account deployer dot address. Await ethers dot deploy contract, and it will take the contract file here. Console.log token address. This is the final token address where our contract will deploy. Token dot get address. So this is the whole script. Now let's add a network in hardhat.config.js file. So I'm using Polygon Mumbai here, so I will add network. Mumbai. It will take two parameters, URL and account. Now let's create .env file to add these credentials, because we are not going to share both of these credentials to anywhere, not even on GitHub. So for that we need to install .env to use it here. Now let's declare it. Now copy the constant name so you do not have to suffer from typo mistakes. You can use any URL here. I am using Alchemy API key. Now paste both of these here. Okay, so our code is now ready to compile. Now let's test and run it. npx hardhat run scripts deploy.js. Okay, it's compiled successfully and also deployed successfully. Here it is, the contract address. Let's check on Mumbai polygon scan. Okay, so super coin is created. So here are the 10,000 super coin are created. I hope you found this tutorial informative. If you have any question or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help. Until the next time, keep coding, keep building, keep exploring the exciting world of blockchain. This is Kinjal signing off. See you in the next video.